Hi friends, welcome to another video of Big Tech Talk. In today's video, we will try to connect with MongoDB using Apache Spark. So, what exactly are we going to do in this video? First, I will try to read MongoDB collection, that is, movies rating using Apache Spark. And then I will perform some transformation on movies rating and will write the output back to MongoDB. So, with these requirements in place, let's start the video. So, this is my Eclipse IDE. I have already created a Maven project with the name as Spark with Mongo. Now, let me add Maven dependencies in my pom.xml file. For that, I will go to my text editor and will copy these dependencies and paste it over here. Save your pom.xml file and then right click on the project and go to Maven. Make sure your project is selected. Check the offline box and check the force update of snapshot. Click on OK. It will take some time to download all the dependencies. Now let's create a package. Right click on the project, go to New and click on Package. Give a name to your package. I will give it as com.mongo.demo and then click on Finish. Now I will create a Scala object. For that, right click on the package and go to New and click on Scala object. Give a name to your Scala object. I will give the name as readMongo. Okay, so this is my Scala object. Now I will create a main method. So I will write def main args, which is array of type string. Now let me create a Spark session variable. So I will write val spark equals to spark session dot builder dot app name. I will set the app name as demo mongo and I will set the master as local since I am running Spark on my local system. Now I will add two configurations of MongoDB. So .config spark.mongo.input.uri. Over here I need to mention the connection URL. So I will write MongoDB. The host is localhost. The port number is 27017. The database name is recommendation dot collection name, which is movies rating. And then .config. Over here I need to mention the output URI. So I will write spark.mongodb.output.uri. And over here I need to mention the MongoDB connection URL for the output. So I will write MongoDB localhost. The port number is 27017. The database name is recommendation and the collection which I will choose to write the output is movies_recommend. And at the last, just write get or create. Okay, let me change this. So my Spark session object is created. Now let's read the table or collection from MongoDB. So I will write val ratings equals to spark.read.format, and in this format I will mention com.mongodb.spark.sql.default source. And in the option, I will mention database name as recommendation. And the collection as movies underscore rating. And then at the end, just write load. So this code will be able to read movies rating collection from MongoDB. Now let's try to print out few records. So I will write ratings.show. This will give me some sample records from the data frame. And ratings.print schema will give me the schema information. And at the end, let's close the Spark session object. So spark.close. Let's execute the code and see if we are able to read records from MongoDB. Save the code, right-click, run as Scala application. As you can see, this is the output of print schema. And this is the output of ratings.show. In the ratings column, we have different types of rating. Some are 4, some are 5, and some are 3. So let's filter out the ratings which are greater or equal to 4 and write them to a different collection in the same database. So I will write val output equals to ratings dot where column which is greater than or equal to 4. If we want to use column function over here, we need to import Sql functions in our program. So at the top, I will go and write import org.apache.spark.sql.functions._. Okay, my error is gone. So the output variable will have the records whose rating is 4 or greater than 4. Now let's print a count of it and see. So I will write println in the bracket count and then output.count. This will give me the record count of output variable. Let's save the code and execute it. Right click, run as Scala application. So this is the output of count function. Let's write the output to a collection in MongoDB. So I will write output.write.format. In the format, I will mention com.mongodb.spark.sql.default source. And the mode is overwrite. In the option, I will mention database as recommendation. And in the collection, I will mention movies_recommend. This is a new collection which I have mentioned over here. Let's save the code and execute it. Right click, run as Scala application. Okay, my code has executed successfully. Let's go and check the MongoDB if Spark application is able to write the output to a collection or no. So this is MongoDB Compass. Click on refresh icon over here and then click on recommendation. Now you can see movies_recommend. This has 48580 records with total document size as 4 MB. Now click on movies recommend and click on the table icon over here. And you can see the output with movies rating 4 and above. So this is how we can use MongoDB for read and write operation with Apache Spark and Scala. I hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Do hit the like button and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.